Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Forgive my small madam here. She refused to lie down, so I had to carry her on my shoulder so that she'll be able to sleep and I'll be able to do my video. Well, anyways, today I want to take my time to talk about our cleanser. It's actually 3, but there's a reason why I'm adding the 4th one here. Alright, this cleanser and this one, that's dark spot facial cleanser, they are both the same, but there's a difference in the color. Now, we didn't make a mistake by the color, we did not. The darker one contains kojic. Most times, most people actually like most of my cleansers to contain kojic acid because it helps for skin lightening and also helps for hyperpigmentation. So this contains kojic, but this doesn't contain kojic, right? So we had to differentiate because some customers don't actually want the one that contains kojic. The darker one contains kojic. This does not contain kojic, and this is meant for light skin people. All right, they are meant for light skin people. This is just a normal cleanser, but it also takes away dark spot, but doesn't lighten the skin. This takes away dark spots but lightens the skin. Now we have our blanch cleanser. This used to be side by side with our sunburn face cream, but we decided to separate the both of them so that in case you actually want to buy sunburn, you can actually go ahead to get sunburn face cream and this separately. They don't come together any longer. But this cleanser is very good for when you're suffering from burn, alright, all those dark burn, or even if you have red burn. This cleanser is actually very good for you. But there's something most of you should know: when you apply cleanser, you are not meant to go out in the sun, because some of the cleanser contain alcohol and some of them might sting your skin. Okay, they might actually irritate your skin. So after applying cleanser, it's best probably go for a toner, go for micellar water and all that, so you can do all the ritual you want to do on your face after you might have applied your cleanser. So most people tend to stop at just cleanser. Oh, Mickey, I just use only cleanser and I go out. Where you should stop once you finish applying all your ritual is your SPF. You apply your moisturizer, then you get an SPF if you know you're going under the sun. You need an SPF badly if you know you're going to be going under the sun. Okay, then we have our minty facial cleanser. This is actually a dark spot cleanser meant for dark skin. All right, meant for dark skin, not for fair skin. All right, this is for fair skin because it also lightens the skin. It helps in treating your burn and also any discoloration you have, but not dark spots. It doesn't treat dark spots. Now this is for dark spots, for fair people, not for dark people. For fair people. This is for dark skin. This is for sunburn. So that is all our cleansers we have. I'm taking my time so that I can explain each and every one of them to you guys, because when some of you want to actually place an order, you have no idea of the particular cleanser you actually want to get, and you just go ahead Mickey, just give me any cleanser you want. It doesn't work that way. You have to let us know, okay, if you want a cleanser that is going to actually lighten you, or you want a cleanser that would help with your burn. If you're having like some irritation caused by sun, all right, this will do a good job for you. But if you're a dark skin person, you say, oh, I'm dark skin, I don't want to alter my skin, I actually like my skin, I just need a cleanser that is going to help with my dark areas, this is for you. Now you're a fair skin person, oh, I'm light skinned, I also want to get lighter as I'm actually taking off my dark spots, this is for you. All right, and this doesn't contain kojic acid, as I said earlier. We had to strip it off kojic, but this contains kojic. So you can see that there's a difference. So I felt I should take my time to explain all our facial cleanser, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. And I'm so sorry about this. It's the only way I could be able to do my video. All right, so bye guys.